Hi guys, welcome back to a new video. In this video, we're going to learn how to build this beautiful and professional looking website in just a few minutes. Okay, so this is what the website will look like. And without further ado, let's now get started. Okay, so first thing is you click on this link right here. I'll put this link in this video description where you can get better price. So once you hit on the link, next is to click on this button called Start Free. And here you just need to fill out the name, your email, password. So now let me just simply do that right here and click on I agree to Cloudways, right? So now it's preparing. Alright, so here this is where we need to set up our hosting. Alright, here's a list of applications. So it comes with WordPress, WooCommerce, PHP, and some others as well. And by default, it select the version 6.1.1. If your WordPress website does have the multi-site version, then you can also select this option as well. But now I'm going to choose this first one, and you can now name your managed application, right? Name your managed app. I'm just gonna name this as Hongli Text, all right? And this is the server. Okay, as simple as that. And this is the name of your project. Hongli Text WordPress. And here there are 3 hosting servers you can choose. If you want more reliable servers, then you can either choose the AWS or Google Cloud Platform. But the price is a bit higher compared to DigitalOcean, alright? And also you can see there's a lock here as well, meaning that we have to first verify our account. So here, to launch free trial server, you need to verify your account first. So now let's go to your email and where you will receive this, right? Just click on this button right here, activate your account. And here you can enter your phone number and click on the send SMS. And the final step would be your account will be verified. Okay, so now let's select the server size. By default, it comes with the 2 gig here. This is the 2 GB premium, and this is the normal 2 gig. The difference is that this is having a faster disk. Okay, it's using the faster one. And for this example, I'm gonna choose the normal one, right? Just the 1 GB using the 25 gig SSD, 1 gig of RAM, 1 TB transfer, and 1 core processor. And here you can select the locations. The locations here, it has to be closer to where you live, all right? So it has the London, New York, San Francisco, Singapore, Sydney, also Toronto as well. So I'm going to select the Sydney where it's closer to where I live right now, all right? And next is to click on Launch Now. Alright, so now the server is setting up. It takes approximately 7 minutes. And let's just wait for this to complete. Alright guys, so what is special about Cloudways is that it gave us 3 days to try out, alright? They try out the servers without having to enter our bank information, the bank detail, right? So this is really interesting. You can just try out any servers you like, and if you're happy with that, you can just pay for it and continue using the servers, alright? So it's about 1 minute to go, alright? 1 minute left, and we will see how we configure the servers. Okay, in this example, I'm going to use the namecheap.com where I bought my domain name, right? So the domain name that I'm going to connect it to is this one right here, khmer29.com, all right? So to connect from or changing the domain name, right, the default one here to khmer29, the step that you will have to do is to go to Advanced DNS, okay? Just click on that one here. And next is we need to add a new record. Okay, so you need to choose the a record, and then the host, this will be this symbol right here, the @ symbol, and the IP address. This is our public IP, right? Just click on it to copy and then paste it here. And you can also change the duration as well for the TTL. I'll choose the automatic and then click on the save changes, the tick, right? And we also need to add another one here. So this one is also at record, but the host this time will be www, right? And the IP address, it will be the same thing, and then save changes. Okay, so once that's done, we can go back here and click on the domain management, right? Next is to enter the domain name, right? The domain name that is on the Namecheap. So click on this button here, the add domain, and then enter it. It's khmer29.com, right? And then add domain. Okay, so the domain is now added. Okay, now we want to make this as primary, right? So we don't want to use the default one, then just click on primary. Okay, so set as primary. And it's now updating the domain. Okay, the domain is now primary. You can also click on the access detail here, right? It now changes to khmer29.com. So now let's just click on this icon here just to open it up, right? And here you can see it is now using khmer29.com. And now let's just copy this again, paste it here, remember, and then log in. Yep, here it is, guys. Let's just close the old one. Same for this one, and visit site. It's really quick. Okay, so now it's loaded. So one thing is that you can see here, it says it's not secure, right? Even though it is HTTPS, but it's not secure at all. So how to make this secure, right? Navigate to SSL certificate. Next is this is using the Let Encrypt, right? Let's just use this one. It is a free SSL. And here it asks us to enter the email address, right? Just enter email address. And also the domain name as well. So this is khmer29.com. If your website, right, does have the subdomain, right, you can click on the apply wildcard, okay? But as in here, you will have to create a CNAME record for that domain as well. But for this, I'm just going to click on the install certificate. Just click on that. Now let's just wait for the certificate, the Let Encrypt certificate to install. And then we will try out again, simply refreshing the URL here, okay? Now the SSL is installed, and you can also see here, okay, the certificate will expire on the 8th August. It's 3 months from now, okay? And you don't need to worry to renew it again and again, right? You just simply need to enable here, right? It will automatically renew the certificate. Let's now try it out, right? So refresh this for now, and here you can see even though I refresh and it says that the Let Encrypt already installed, sometimes this is because of the caching, okay? You can just simply clear out your cache, or you can test this in the incognito window. Let me just simply do it now. Alright guys, so here it is. I open this in the incognito, and now it says the connection is secure, meaning that the SSL is now installed. Alright, the certificate is valid, meaning that it is secure site. So what I'm going to do next is to install or make changes to the look of this default WordPress. Alright, now let's change the theme of this website. Okay, so go to appearance and then click on themes, and we just need to add a new one, right? So we're gonna install the popular. This is one of the most popular, right? It's called Athra. Click on install and then activate. Okay, so now the Athra theme is activated. Now let's go to the website, right? And then refresh it again. And here it is. We are now using the Athra theme. Okay, so it's powered by Athra WordPress theme. And then we're going to install a new plugin. All right. Now search for starter templates. Okay. And we will need to install this plugin right here. This is quite popular. It's more than 1 million active installation already. So now let's click on activate. Now the plugin is activated. Navigate to appearance and then select the starter templates. Okay. And this is basically the introduction. All right. Okay, and then click on build your website now. You can either choose any one of these, right? I'm going to go with the default one for now, the block editor. And this is a list of the templates, right? They are looking beautiful and professional. Now let me just quickly, and on top here you can change it to the others as well. This one, these are all built using the Elementor plugin, okay? And this is the other one. Now let's just go back here, and I'm going to search for Astra. Let's just scroll down and looking for this one here. It's looking beautiful. I like this one. Click on it, and then it asks us to basically upload the logo if we have one, and if not, I can just skip and continue. And it asks me to choose a font. I'm going to select the default one, click on continue, and this one tells us about yourself, the first name, choose intermediate or beginner. All right, for myself, I agree to receive. Okay, and this is going to import the customizer settings, import the widget content, and also share none. I'm going to deselect this for now, and then we click on the submit and build my website. And the next step is just to wait for this to complete, and it's done. It's quick. Okay, now let's see. Okay, it's a congratulations, and now let's find out what it's going to look like. Click view your website, and here it is, guys. It's looking beautiful. Wow, it's just quick and easy. In less than 1 minute, you have already built the website that looking this professional. Okay, now let's just navigate to the services. All right, this is the about, and there are more, right? So this is a one-page website, right? It's a single landing page. You can of course change the text to your website, right? And yep, guys, just want to make it quick and easy. And this is how you build your first professional looking website in just a few minutes, and that's it. I hope you guys like this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoy this video and find it useful. And I'll see you guys in the next video.